Hi Maya, it's me again. How are you? I hope that you are doing good and I hope that you are happy with me. Um, who's at least trying to be polite to you. You know, I'm just being myself. Um, I'm just hoping that I'm making you happy. You know, it's important for you to be happy. It's very important that you stay happy, that you have positive people in your life, positive talks, positive things. Your surroundings must be positive, and also for you for your videos, for you to make it better, you must surround yourself with some music. Also, it will help you to relax your mood or to lift your mood up. Or you will be like in a nightclub in Cape Town or wherever you are when you go to a party and you listen to the music and it takes you on high, and then you're like in top up. You know what I mean? Then you will be better. You see? Yeah. So sorry for that. Further on me, I'm just sitting here by the house, by my place, on my computer, me and my computer, alone in my room. The people are out now. My friend Theobald is out. Further, I'm just sitting here thinking what I can do to earn some cash, to make some money for myself. Now I can play Hollywood pitch. Um, you see, because I'm busy with my my one game that I'm busy playing now. You see, I'm waiting for it to load so that I can play. You see, it's a Spinazonga one. A Spinomenal. You know, Spinomenal. You choose a Spinomenal one. Then you choose any game that you can play with Spinomenal. Also on Spinazonga. There's the one with the ice bear. I'm gonna, you see, it's gonna queue it sometimes. It can load probably. So I'm gonna play that one next, see what it's about. And yeah, it's very easy to win. You put your bet on the lowest, you put your lines on the lowest, you put everything on the lowest, and then you click it one by one. And if you see it doesn't win out, it doesn't start to win exactly from the first time that you press the button. And your bet is very low. Some of them go like 1 cent, a bet 1 cent. And then you can put it on automatic like 100 spins and you just leave it. And then you will see you will win a R1 here, R2 here, and then you will meet a big one, like say like a 30 rand or 40 rand, and then you will win another like 50 cent and another R1 here and a R5 there. You see, that is how you go on with it. At least you keep on winning. But the moment you're going to put your bet up or your lines up, then you're going to lose your cash. You're going to lose your money. Ask me, I know. I've been through it. I've lost all my money, but I got it all back again as well. So yeah. But listen, I just making this video for you to get some positive looking into your life, to get some positive talk into your life. For man, for me being a man, I hope that brings all the positivity back into your life. That you know there's someone who cares about you. So that's me. Um, Otherwise, I wouldn't have made this video for you. Otherwise, I wouldn't have text message you back. Then I just would have ignored you and just like okay, it's just this girl trying to to fix her life, and you know, why must I care about you? No, that is not what I did. I did care about you, and I still care about you as I'm sitting here in my room. And I want you to know that. I want you to know that I do care for you. Okay? I know myself. and if I care for someone, if I care for a woman. Me, I'm a woman guy. Okay, I'm straight. I'm 46 years old. I'm a white guy. I was a dropout out of school. I was a real troublemaker when I was young. Okay, I was in a lot of jails. I did a lot of bad things. A lot of bad things were done to me. I was in all of the gangsterism, the numbers, everything. I messed up my whole life. I've lost everything I had in life. I lost my parents. I lost my family. I love my loved ones. Lost my cars, my jobs, my girlfriends, my belongings, my money. I sat it on street for how many years because I always thought that I can be the biggest fighter of them all. That way was the main fighting guy, okay? Fighting was my thing. And making trouble was also my thing. And going to jail and not care, that was my thing. Until this one day when I thought to myself, I can't go on like this. I can't go on hurting my father, my mother. I can't go on hurting myself anymore and people around me. I can't keep on doing these wrong things to myself and especially to my mother and my father. I can't. It's not nice losing your father and mother, but they're still alive. But they don't want to have anything to do with you because of your friends, the people that you are involved with. Now, me, I wasn't involved with the main guys, you see. People that kill other people, that will come shoot you in your own house, come kill you in your own house. They will kill your whole family, all your friends. They will take everything from you. Me, I was also one of that guys. And the police, even the police, they know about me. Yeah, they know me very well. And they also know my father and they know my mother. So, I'm not a police guy. I'm not into police business. Me, I'm into life, like my father, working, doing his own thing. He's his own boss, two times his own boss. My mother is also working. Um, he loves my mother all the way, 100%, and she loves him also 100%. And they married from day one until now, and they're not planning on getting divorced now. They're going through with it all the way. So that is also where I got a strong point is from my father to be the man in the house. Okay, that's just part of me. Uh, that's the right thing to do because by the time that we want to do all these things, that is why I'm speaking to you. I'm giving you a positive input into your life, forward into your life, just to letting you know that there is someone caring for you and who are willing to be there for you in your life forward. If I don't tell you this, if I didn't tell you this, then nobody would have. But at least now that I've told you it, I know that I've did the right thing for you and also for myself and for everybody who looks at this video. You can even give it to your dad or to your mother, and then they will find there while they're watching the movie or watching me when I'm speaking also and hearing what I'm saying. That I'm a man, I'm also a human being, okay? I also had a mistake in my life. I also made a mistake in my life. But God is the one who helped me to get out of that mistake, to move on with my life. And it's all because of God. It's not because of me or anyone else. No, it's all because of God. All the years I always tried to do things on my own, trying to be the main guy, the main man. Nobody tells me what to do or whatever. Otherwise, I fight with you. I don't care. You can hit me. I'm going to get you back. I'm not going to hit you once. I'm going to come after you the whole time. I will terrorize you all the time. You can go to the cops. I don't care. But that was me. And that is the way I lived, and that is the way life treated me also. So then I came to the realization something is wrong in my life because whatever I'm doing, I'm not succeeding. at the end. And it may be succeeding for now and tomorrow and for a year or 2 years, but then after that, then I fall, and I fall hard on my face, and I lose everything. So what is the problem? Every time the same thing is happening to me, and it's been continuously going on for years. So then I decided there's something that I'm doing wrong, and I'm willing to do anything to correct myself and my life so that I can get back my parents, my family, and my loved ones, and everything that I used to have. And then especially I prayed for for a girl like you. And since that time, it's like a year. It's like a year ago. Exactly 1 year ago, I started to speak to God. Anything that comes to my way that's bothering me, that I'm not happy with, anything negative, I immediately speak to God. And God give me all my positive answers back in life. God is the positive one. God is the one who can help you with anything. God helped me to get out of my old life and walk into the new life that God has given me. Okay? So it's not just for me. God, God is there for everyone. God is not just there for me or just there for you. Okay? You see all these old tattoos on my body. All of this here, look here. It's all gonna come off. You see here. I'm gonna take it all off. You can look here at my back. Look here. I'm full of the tattoos. You see. I'm full of tattoos. This is all like old jail tattoos. Okay. Um, and also fun tattoos and what. But yeah, you can see all of this is gonna come off. Okay. I'm gonna lose all of this. It's all gonna come clean. I'm gonna go for like a workout my body. You know, muscle myself up again. Make my hair shorter or which style ever that I find fit for that time. You can look here. You look here also. You see here. Everywhere. There's just a lot of tattoos. Look here. You see. It's a lot of. You can even see. Look here. My teeth. All this teeth is gonna come out. I'm gonna let it be pulled out and put in false teeth. Okay. Yeah. So I just want to let you know. Okay. That it doesn't matter what comes your way in life. If there's something bothering you, you can. Don't be scared. Speak to God. I'm advising you. I'm giving you positive advice. Okay. I'm not saying that you must be with me. Okay. I'm not forcing you for anything. I'm only explaining to you my side from me, where I come from, why I'm speaking to you. It's not just because of me, or not just because you're a beautiful girl. Okay, that's 20 years old and already doing very good on the internet. You see, um, and you're doing real good. You must listen to what I'm saying for you. You are doing real good. You are faster than the normal girls are. The normal tone in life, the tone is here. You are already up there. You're going up quick. The others they're coming on slowly, up and down, up and down. But you're getting there, and I'm glad. That is, I like that a lot from you. You've got that. It's like you've got that good heart, okay, in you, and there's nothing wrong with your heart. And for me, talking positive things to you and to your heart, it will give you extra heartbeat. So you will find that everything from me is positive towards you, okay? Because it's not good giving negative info for people. Always try to give positive info for people. You must understand you've got your work career, okay? You've got your online career. Then you've got your friends career. And then you've got your love life. Your love life, I can advise you and give you a positive um, talk about your love life from my own experience and where I am now. Then you can understand what I'm saying. Me also, I've got your love life is your personal life. Okay, that is your personal life that you only share with your lover. You don't share that with your family or friends or anyone else. But with God, you share everything. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy for God. It doesn't matter if you want to cry, if you want to scream, or if you want to shout, or what big joy God is bringing you, then you feel the joy of God. And if you pray for something and you ask God to give you something, you can take my word for this. God will give it for you. I promise you. Because everything I've prayed for, everything I've asked God for, God has given me so far. God never disappointed me. Although it doesn't come in my time, it comes in the time that God gives. If I ask for something, I can't expect it now. If I want it now, I can ask for it. If I don't get it now, then God don't want to give it for me now. But at the end of the time, God did give everything for me that I've asked for so far. And I already prayed, I already asked for God for everything that I need in this life. My prayer is straight through. God already got my prayer there by Him. But I still keep in contact with God. I speak to God openly like me and you, like I speak to you. But what I want to say, your love life is your private life, okay? That you don't want to share with anyone. Say like me and you. This is now your online love life. Like what I have there with you. That is private for me. You understand? Because that is for someone that I'm caring, for someone that I want to be with, for somebody that I give a chance in my life, okay? And for you, for being a girl, I'm giving a girl a chance in my life. That I want that girl who are you to be with me for the rest of my life. That I'm actually I'm giving you a positive um, input in life. You must understand this. When it comes to love, um, you don't have to prove yourself to no one because what happened in the past stays in the past. If you like me and you, if we're gonna decide, okay, the two of us, we can do it. Okay, it is fine. You already know it's fine by me, but I don't know from your side. How do you feel? Um, that is why I want you to, if you can, text me or phone me here by my mother's cell phone, okay, or email me. Then share your feelings with me only on a positive outcome from you. So it can be a positive input for me from you. Then I pick up your positive. That is your love life, your private life is positive because that will always be good. That is what I mean. So now that is love. It's the first time you ever heard that. That I promise you, you didn't hear this nowhere before. I can promise you that because why? I got that from God, from no one else. And I give it for you. I share it for you so that you can know that I'm speaking the truth. That whatever I speak to you, I speak out of love to you, positive love for you. The right kind of love that you need in life from a man like me. And I'm happy that I'm the first man to tell you this in life so that you can know that I'm honest with you, 100% honest with you, that I do want to be with you, okay? And I'll do whatever it takes to make you happy and to keep your life positive from my side to you. You understand? So that I always know I'm in the clear with you. There must never be conflict between us. And it is possible. Believe me, it's possible. With God, it is possible. We must always be open to one another. You understand? But we must also respect one another. Okay? I can't blame you for anything that you did in the past. And you can't blame me for anything that I did in the past. It doesn't matter if people come to you telling you about my past. It doesn't matter if people coming to me telling me about your past. when we decide we're going to be together, me and you, and we're going to do this and we're going to do it the right way, so that the both of us we can't get harmed in our path forward, then
Yeah.
that is what I speak about. Then we're going to do this thing right. Oh, that's my mother. That's my mother, ne? My mother name is Priscilla. Say
Hello.
Mom. You see, that's my mother.
Okay.
That's my mother. Ja.
Which?
Ek dink nie maar sy heks nie.
Okay.
You see, we Afrikaans, but I can speak English. And my mother can also speak English, but yeah. So I hope that is enough for now. I will try to make another video call later on again because it's not my phone, it's my mother's phone. It's my mother don't mind, it's fine. But yeah, I just wish you all of the best of the luck. And think about what I said, and then you can phone me back or send me a video call or however and whatever you want. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Take care.